Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will look at the best 3D printer for cookies cutter. These 3D printers are used to design cookie cutters to match the theme of every celebration, from birthdays to holidays. If you love baking and you want to enjoy adding a personal touch to it, then we have the perfect solution for you. For your convenience, we have searched for the 5 best 3D printers that are perfect for creating unique cookie cutters. These printers will be the best choice for your cookie cutter. If you want to buy, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them easily without any hassle. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is the Anycubic Cobra 2 3D printer. If you like baking and you want to take your 3D cookie cutter printing experience to the next level, then Anycubic Cobra 2 3D printer is a remarkable innovation that transcends traditional printing speeds and precision with advanced technology and user-friendly design to complement your creative style. With a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second and groundbreaking 5x faster printing capability, the Anycubic Cobra 2 decreases printing times by up to 70%. While the recommended print speed of 150 mm per second strikes an optimal balance between speed and quality, the accelerated speed of 2500 mm/s superscript 2 sets a new standard for rapid prototyping. The LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system showcases its brilliance accuracy for your cookie cutter. The upgraded extruder power of up to 60 watts mobilizes rapid filament melting and enhanced flowability, verifying a consistent and clean outcome. The fan installed in this printer with a speed of 7,000 RPM provides a quick cooling experience. This innovation not only accelerates printing but also guarantees efficient cooling for ideal model quality. With stability and efficiency, the double Z-axis threaded rod system minimizes lifting your product resistance while printing. This fantastic design optimizes the kitchen platform, leading to perfect cookie cutter layers, unparalleled results, and even higher speed. Anycubic Cobra 2 offers a 1-year warranty backed by lifetime technical support. With a printhead warranty of 3 months and a heated bed warranty of up to 6 months, your investment is protected. If you're interested in this 3D printer, you can make a purchase now. The link is provided in the description below. Number 2 is the official Creality 3D printer Ender 5S1. If you are searching for a cutting-edge 3D cookie cutter printing solution that combines speed, precision, and innovation, look no further than the official Creality Ender 5S 3D printer. This remarkable machine redefines the boundaries of cookie cutter printing, offering several features designed to elevate your creative abilities to new heights. With the ability to achieve speeds of up to 250 mm per second, the Ender 5S slit printing times by a staggering 65%. This is achieved through a refined motion system, where each X, Y, and Z axis self-praises its standalone motor. With astounding acceleration of up to 2000 mm/s superscript 2 and synchronized Y-axis belts via a steel transmission shaft. The ability of this printer up to 300 degrees Celsius temperatures, and this marvel features a titanium heat break that resists heat creep, a cleverly designed corrugated heatsink for swift cooling, and a spacious 50 mm superscript 3 melting chamber that ensures filament is flawlessly liquefied. With a printing size of 220 by 220 by 280 mm, it is the best choice for you to make great masterpieces. The official Creality Ender 5S 3D printer is a masterpiece of engineering that combines printing speed, accuracy, and functionality in an attractively designed cookie cutter printing package. If you're a professional creator, an enthusiast, or a hobbyist, this printer stands ready to modify your 3D printing journey. This masterpiece is available for purchase now, and the link has been provided in the description below. Number 3 is the official Creality K1 3D printer. Have you needed a super speed 3D printer for making cookie cutters? If so, then the official Creality K1 3D printer is here to increase your creative process. With its outstanding 600 mm per second printing speed, the K1 delivers an example experience that's perfect for both professionals and beginners alike. The official Creality K1 3D printer operates with breathtaking speed and delivers an unparalleled printing experience. You can experience the next level of printing precision with the K1's reliable 0.1 mm printing smooth detail. Due to its advanced technology, it eliminates your problems like vibration and ringing. The G sensor in the printhead offers excellent performance for measuring and mitigating resonance noise during high-speed printing, which guarantees a flawless and ultra-smooth finish. The sturdy aluminum alloy frame with unibody die-cast parts ensures stability during high-speed printing and maintains excellent print quality throughout the process. The K1 3D printer temperature goes from 200 degrees Celsius to an impressive 300 degrees Celsius in just 40 seconds, which can easily print a variety of cookie cutter filaments. The dual-gear direct drive extruder and dual fans in the chamber work quickly to ensure quick cooling and also shaping, preventing any straining or warping. It's not just a printer, it's a gateway to creativity at lightning speed. If you're impressed by this 3D printer, it's available for purchase now. The link is provided in the description below. Number 4 is Creality 3D Printer Ender 5 Plus FDM Printer. If you're looking for the ultimate 3D printer to bring your cookie cutter creations to life, then the Creality Ender 5 Plus FDM printer is the ultimate choice. This genius device combines cutting-edge features with a user-friendly 3D cookie cutter design, making it a top choice for beginners and experienced makers. An amazing feature that makes the Ender 5 Plus different is its auto bed leveling sensor kit, which works like magic to measure the tilt of the hotbed surface. The precise Z-axis auto-leveling compensation saves you valuable time and minimizes material wastage. Your prints will adhere flawlessly, allowing you to dive straight into your creative process without daily maintenance and headaches. The Ender 5 Plus puts those concerns to rest with its innovative dual Z-axis setup. Including 2 lead screws ensures the hotbed remains steadfastly stable during printing, eliminating wobbling and the dreaded dropped print disasters, and this dual Z-axis configuration minimizes points of failure. The Creality Ender 5 Plus FDM printer, by incorporating a Y-axis dual shaft motor and a Z-axis mechanism with downward movement, your printer's motion achieves an impressive smoothness level. If you're an accomplished creator or embarking on your 3D printing journey, this printer promises to be your reliable partner in turning cookie cutter ideas into tangible, breathtaking creations. If you like this 3D printer, make it yours now. Check the link in the description box below. Number 5 is Weefin Tina 2S 3D printer. If you are starting your kitchen experience and you can make cookie cutter products, then Weefin Tina 2S 3D printer is the best choice. The Weefin Tina 2S 3D printer is an innovative masterpiece tailored for beginners. This printer is assembled to your ability and creativity without the hassle of a complex setup, seamlessly merging technology and convenience. It's the ultimate gift for tech enthusiasts, artists, educators, and anyone captivated by the world of 3D printing. This printer stands out through its wireless printing, which connects through the groundbreaking Polo Print Cloud app. This app offers a treasure stock of cookie cutters and 3D models, transforming your smartphone or tablet into a command center for one-click slicing and Wi-Fi cloud printing. With a self-developed motherboard, it boasts whisper-quiet operation at a mere 40 to 50 dB and zooming ahead at up to 200 mm per second. Its enhanced CPU performance promises faster, uninterrupted printing. The Tina 2S presents auto-leveling perfection with its dual X/Y/axis, guaranteeing precise prints with minimal effort. The reimagined cooling system and connection with 6 heat dissipation aluminum sheets and a high-speed fan ensure pristine results and block-free nozzles. If you're impressed by this printer, you can make it yours today. The purchase link is provided in the description below. That's all from us in today's video about the best 3D printers for cookies cutter. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can purchase them at the most suitable price. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in another exciting video of Sublimation Focus.